Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Rajput and I'm a student of UPS Dehradun. So in this video, I'll be talking about dowry laws. Now to understand and to know about dowry laws, first we need to know what is dowry. Now the dowry system in India refers to the durable goods, cash and real or movable property that the bride's family gives to the groom, his parents and his relatives as a condition of a marriage. We all know that dowry is also known as Dahej. The Dowry Prohibition Act is an Indian law enacted on May 1, 1961, intended to prevent the giving or receiving of a dowry. Under the Dowry Prohibition Act, dowry includes property, goods, or money given by either party to the marriage, by parents or of either party, or by anyone else in the connection with the marriage. Now, the Indian criminal laws were comprehensively amended to include dowry as a punishable offence. Section 304 was added to IPC, that is Indian Penal Code 1860, which made dowry death a specific offence punishable with a minimum sentence of imprisonment of 7 years and a maximum imprisonment for life. The disputes related to dowry sometimes result in violence against women, including killings and acid attacks. Now, the ongoing reality of dowry related violence is an example of what can happen when a women are treated as a property. When brides are unable to pay the high price to marry, then they are punished by violence and often dead to the hands by their in-laws or their husbands. Now, number of dowry death cases in India between 2005 to 2019 were reported massively. In 2019, dowry cases reported and the death cases from dowry in India amounted to more than 7.1 thousand. This was a gradual decrease from 2014, in which this number was approximately 8.5 thousand. The most dowry deaths cases in India are in Uttar Pradesh. Now, reported dowry deaths cases in India 2019 by leading state Uttar Pradesh. In 2019, the northern state of Uttar Pradesh in India had the highest number of reported dowry deaths, with more than 2,000 cases registered with the authorities. The country recorded over 7,000 cases of dowry related matters or dowry deaths. Dowry is a social evil in the society that has caused unimaginable tortures and crime towards women. This evil has taken lives of women from all the stratas of the society, whether it be rich, poor, or middle class, anyone. However, it is the poor who succumbs and fall prey for it because they are not able to pay the dowry, and more due to the lack of their awareness and education. They don't know what to do or what they have or what their rights are. They are unaware of that, and that is why the poor mostly fall in this case. Now, it is because of the dowry system that daughters are not valued as much as the sons. That is why we say that India is a male dominating society and patriarchy is there in India from ages. This was the reason. Now, in the society, many a times it has been seen that there are seen as that daughters are seen as a liability and are often subjected to subjugation and are given second hand treatment, may it be in their education or other amenities. Now, to stop dowry deaths and violence against women, we all have to stand together and educate our daughters to fight back. We all have to make them aware of their rights. Now, there are some few points, the important steps to eradicate dowry. The first one is educate your daughter. then encourage them to have their own career, not to depend on others. Teach them to be independent and responsible. Treat them like your daughter equally without any discrimination as you do with your sons. Do not encourage the practice of giving or taking dowry. Thank you.